Let me ask you a serious question. If I told you that your level of English could be directly limiting how much money you make, would you believe me? This isn't just about grammar or sounding like a native. I'm talking about real opportunities, remote jobs, freelancing, international business, all locked behind one skill: English fluency. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how improving your English fluency can multiply your income, even if you never leave your country. But first, let's be honest. Why do so many people fail at both? Why do they practice English for years and still struggle? And why do they stay broke? That's what we're uncovering. I want to be real with you for a moment. I wasn't always fluent in English. In fact, I used to avoid speaking it unless I absolutely had to. But then I realized something that changed everything. I wasn't just avoiding a language. I was avoiding opportunities. You see, fluent English is more than just sounding smart. It's a passport. It gets you into rooms where decisions are made. It lets you compete globally, even from your bedroom. The day I stopped saying I'm not ready and started practicing real fluency, my confidence changed. And when confidence changed, so did my income. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need perfect English. You need practical fluency. The kind that lets you negotiate, pitch, close deals, and create content. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. How to build that fluency and how to use it to make real money. Because if I can do it with no perfect accent, no expensive course, and no native environment, then what's stopping you? Now, let's break it down. There are 3 levels of English fluency that directly affect how much money you can make. And most people stay stuck at level 1 without realizing it. At this level, you can understand basic conversations, maybe answer emails, or talk to clients with help from Google Translate. But let's be honest, it's stressful. You can get jobs like data entry, customer support, or low-paying freelancing. But you're constantly underpaid and undervalued. This is where things start changing. You can express ideas clearly, join meetings confidently, handle client questions, maybe even sell. At this level, you can freelance, close small deals, and even work with international clients. The money starts to look like this. Most people can reach this level, but they don't have a strategy. In a minute, I'll show you how to shortcut your way there. This is where the real game starts. You can speak clearly, think in English, negotiate, pitch, teach, or lead teams. This level opens doors to coaching, content creation, high-ticket freelancing, remote leadership roles, even your own business. And you don't need a perfect accent. You need clarity, confidence, and strategy. So, which level are you at right now? And more importantly, do you know how to level up? All right, now that you know the 3 levels, here's how to level up without wasting years on textbooks or grammar drills. I call it my 3-step fluency system. You don't learn fluent English by studying grammar. You learn by surrounding yourself with real English every day. Watch content you love, but with purpose.
Pause. Repeat.
Shadow the speaker. Listen like your income depends on it, because it does. Most learners input too much and never output. If you're not speaking daily, your fluency can't grow.
Talk to yourself.
Record your voice. Use AI tutors or language partners. The key is daily output. Just 10 minutes a day can change everything. Once your fluency grows, don't stop there. Use it. Start offering a skill: writing, designing, teaching, freelancing, whatever you're good at. I made the mistake of learning English first and waiting to earn later. Big mistake. You should do both together. Even basic fluency can get you started with real clients. If you apply these 3 steps, input, output, monetize, you won't just become fluent. You'll turn your fluency into freedom. In the final part of this video, I'll show you how to build your weekly fluency plus money plan. And if you stay till the end, I've got something special for you. Now, here's where it all comes together. You don't need 5 hours a day or an expensive teacher. You just need the right weekly system that trains your English and starts bringing in money. In this video, I'm sharing how English fluency is directly connected to your income and why most people stay broke trying to study their way fluent. I'll walk you through my personal journey, the 3 levels of fluency that actually pay, and the simple 3-step system I use to go from nervous and underpaid to confident and making real money online. No boring grammar, no perfect accent, just a practical plan that works. You'll learn the 5/3/2 method. 5 hours a week of focused English input, 3 hours of speaking output, and 2 hours of using your skills to actually monetize what you've learned. Stick around till the end, and I'll give you a free fluency tracker to help you follow the plan and start earning while you improve your English. If this helps you, drop a comment, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos that help you grow your fluency and your income.